How to fix iPhone Face ID not working after iOS update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I will show you how to fix iPhone Face ID not working after iOS update. This bug is especially in iOS 16.5 and later. First and basic solution is force to restart your iPhone. Let me show you how it's work. If you are using iPhone X and later, you need to press the volume up button, then volume down button, and press the power button until you see the Apple logo and your iPhone will be forced to restart. This will fix your iPhone Face ID not working issue 100%. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next, and other solution is reset our setting. To do that, you need to tap on iPhone setting. Okay, in settings section you need to tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. After tapping that section, you need to scroll down and find here transfer or reset iPhone. You can see showing here. Tap on that. Okay, in that section you need to tap on reset. You can see tap on reset. Okay, now you can see on the top reset all setting. Tap on that. Enter phone passcode and reset all setting. It will also fix your Face ID not working issue 100%. Simple two-step, you can easily fix that your Face ID not working after iOS update. Hope this video will help you a lot. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.